Okay, here I am in front of a map of the world, and we can't see the part that I'm focusing on, but it's important to look at that little spot right there that says Sinai. Okay? Now Matthew 13:37 through 39 says, "The field is the world, and the reapers are the angels." So we got all these people all over the world, but only some of them are part of the harvest. The angels go out and reap them. So let's think about it. We have no idea how many people that is. So Yah decides how many people are in the harvest. He sends out the reapers. And the angels, they use Revelation 12:14 as their authority, the word from the Almighty, and they take us all to the harvest. It says on the wings of a great eagle. Well, it'd be several great eagles that fly us to this little spot. So you can just go ahead and look at it yourself and zoom it in and look at the map, but I'm not going to do that. I just wanted to get the map of the world out here. So all this prophecy is pretty simple. You got a harvest, comes from all over the world, and it all goes back. Just like back in the old days, they bring the harvest together, then they put it in one place and they separate the good from the bad. Okay? Nobody's going to heaven yet. There's no rapture. It's a harvest. And it all starts right here, the harvest. It's all brought right back to here where it says Sinai. So you got two scriptures. You got Revelation 12:14, and you have Matthew 13:37 through 39. The angels are the reapers. Okay, let's talk about the angels for a minute. Angels are on a mission. We are the harvest. We're the grain. We don't say to the angels, "No, you're not going to harvest me." That's Yah's will. We're going to be harvested. He's going to separate the good from the bad. He's not taking anybody wicked to heaven. He's going to separate the good from the bad. And the miracle is that we want to be saved. We want to be in that harvest. There's a lot of people that aren't going to be in that harvest. It takes a little bit of time to harvest wheat or corn or whatever. Like in the United States, the harvest starts in the south and it finishes in the north. So there's a time period, maybe 3 months. But eventually the harvest is over. So some people get picked first. And in Revelation, that's 144,000. They're the first fruits. So they get there first. But the harvest is going to be great. So I just wanted to say that and encourage you all to, don't plan on going out there building a bigger house and stuff like that. Let's hope and pray that this prophecy will happen for Rosh Hashanah. And hallelujah. I'll see you there. 2017.